Yo, what's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Before I get on with this video, I just feel like as a content creator I have an important message to tell you guys. I've been seeing a lot of dark things on the internet lately, and I've been seeing so much negativity, so much people bringing each other down, so much, just a lot of bad negativity, and just people taking their own lives, and at such a young age or old age. And I know the internet is not really like the safest place to be around. There's a lot of people just hiding behind their keyboards and ready to just beat you down when you least expect it, with the safety of staying in their home and just hiding. And I just want to let you guys know that we can grow past that, and you guys have such a huge support system out there. You guys just need to find it, whether it's your family, your friends. They're out there for you, and I want to be here for you guys too. Even if I don't know you, or you don't know me, or you just know me through my videos, I want to try to be as authentic as possible and be there for you guys as well, because there's such a huge support system all around you guys. And you know, me creating this Coffee Breaks channel, I want to create this safe space environment for everybody. People who are enthusiasts or into motorcycles or into automobiles, it doesn't matter to me. You guys are always welcome here. I'm here for you guys, and I just want to spread this message of positivity to each and every one of you guys. And please seek help if you feel like you're alone, or if possible, you can message me on one of my social medias, and I will try my best to get back to you guys. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to start this video soon, and again, you have a support system, and if you don't find it, they're there for you out there somewhere. You just need to be patient. Alright, guys, I love you all.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Coffee Breaks. As you can see, I'm parked next to a little plant right here. Anyways, my lady came back from Vegas and pointed out something that I did not notice until she pointed it out. And basically, you can see here, the wiring from my ignition is actually scraping the fairing right here. And poor R3, the fairings are a little bit scraped off right here, because every time I make a full right with the bar, as you can see, it scratches and just scrapes off the paint. So what I did is I loosened everything. See, I already took off the brake lever to get to these two bolts to loosen up the clip-ons, and I'm just gonna twist this up here just slightly a little bit so I have more clearance. Perfect. And just probably a little bit more up right here, and perfect. I'm just gonna keep it right here. It's a good thing that she still noticed it first, because I would have been damaging my R3 even more so, and I have no clue how I did not notice that. And all set, guys. Like I said, I just twisted the clip on a little bit, loosened everything, and just twisted it ever so slightly, just upwards a little bit, and make sure I don't get this nasty scrape ever again. It's kind of too late, isn't it? I just want to give you a quick update on that part. So if you guys are looking to put on new clip-ons, make sure all your wiring does not intervene with any parts of your fairing, because they are going to be lower. Just a quick tip. And another update, as you guys can see, I have the new zero gravity windshield. This is the double bubble in clear, and I love how this looks. The OEM ones was a lot lower. Now the air clearance just goes right above my head. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna take this bike out for a quick test ride, give you guys an update on how I feel about the clip-ons and the rear sets. I'm used to GP shifting now, and yeah, I'm gonna get into all this when I get on the road right now. See you guys on the road. Peace.
Yo, what up, guys? This is the next freaking morning. Sorry I did not film yesterday. I mean, it doesn't really matter anyways, as long as I film, right? It is the next morning, and long story short, the homie Tash came over. He's right behind me right now. I don't know if you guys can see my mirror, but he's in the Ninja 400. Check this guy out, man. What a sexy 2020 Ninja 400, bro. Man, this guy always showing up, man. Always supporting. That's what's up. That's the good homie right here. But I'm gonna give you guys a full-on review on my clip-ons that I put. I love these clip-ons. They make a world difference. And these rear sets too. They're awesome. They feel great. They're adjusted to the right positions that I want, and they're pretty flexible on their adjustments. As I showed you guys in the previous installation, they have different levels and different kind of holes that you can put to adjust the comfortability and the sizing of your foot, or where you're most comfortable at. This guy always like pulling up next. Oh, what's up, man? How's it going? Yeah, no, we're having a good time. Small CC bike. You got a DRZ, the wheelie machine. Oh yeah, we're having some fun here. It's a great morning today. We're gonna head out and get some breakfast. I love it, man. This guy is fast with the DRZ, man. I love those bikes. Those bikes are loud. But yes, the body positioning of the clip-ons, they're awesome. The Renthal grips are great on them. Adds the right comfortability to it. And it feels like I'm sitting on a proper 600. And I like it. It almost sits like, actually, it almost sits like the Gixxer. And I recommend the GP shifting for the rear sets. Any rear sets you get, I recommend GP shifting. It is so much easier. At first, it was so freaking hard. It was confusing. I didn't know what I was doing. But GP shifting is the way to go. It's so much easier on these bikes, or on bikes in general. It just changes your life. It's so much easier to shift. It's so much more confident, easier to corner and corner out with the right shift, with the right gearing. Everything about GP shifting is just amazing. It makes life a lot easier. Like I said, I do admit at first it was confusing as hell. I was just like so used to standard shift, and I was just like, oh, I do not get this at all. But honestly, guys, it takes a day or two and you're just pretty much all set. It becomes muscle memory, just like manual transmission, so ain't nothing much to it. Like I said, guys, I lose the comfortability of it, but I'm looking to track this anyways. And clip-ons and rear sets are definitely a good start. It helps with the body positioning. It sits just like a 600, very aggressive. And just cornering the other day, I was on the twisties and it feels amazing on this. The cornering was just so much easier. Like I said, combined with the GP shifting, it was so much easier to get into the right gearing. When I was speeding out of the corners, I could just downshift without just shifting my leg to get under the peg and push up. I just click down and I'm flying out of the corners. And it's amazing on 300s. You guys will be surprised once you guys get new rear sets or clip-ons on your 300s, on the small CC bikes. It makes a whole lot of difference. It makes it so much more confident to go through corners and twisties. It's just excellent. All right, man, we're gonna go have breakfast, dude. This guy danced it off. All right, guys, I'm gonna peace out. Enjoy some Bill's Cafe. You guys have a wonderful morning, night, wherever you guys are, and peace out. You'll see me doing a review on that green 2020 Ninja 400 soon. Peace.